How to apply decals in Substance Painter and ZBrush with Industrial Sign Decals Maker by ArtisticSquad. Here we'll see how to use our product on your models, which contains many industrial sign decals. Use them on industrial props, sci-fi machinery, factory walls, control panels, hazard zones, warning signs, construction sites, urban environments, emergency exits, security doors, maintenance areas, radioactive chambers, mechanical devices, and any kind of scene you can imagine. The product includes PNGs, brushes, and alphas. You can use the PNGs in any 2D or 3D app. Into Substance Painter, create a layer on top of your current materials. In the Brush tab, set size to 100. Load the alpha and image as usual. Drag the alpha to the alpha slot. And drag the image to the base color slot. Set the rawness of the brush to 1. Disable all material channels except color. With this setting, it will look as if you painted with translucent paint on your model. It shows the material below and just adds color. If we activate metal too, this is how it looks. And if you activate rough, it will look like a plastic or paper sticker. For ZBrush, just copy the brushes to Lightbox. Then load them and click and drag on your model. Drag to set size and angle. There is one brush for each sign, ready to be applied. You just need a divided model ready for polypaint. Don't forget to activate subtool, polypaint, colorize. You can overlap the brushes if needed.